The Title IX office is here for you if you experience sexual violence, domestic partner violence, or stalking, or some degree of gender harassment or discrimination. We're here to provide supports. We're here to take care of folks, get them connected with resources here on campus, as well as supports and resources off campus. Advocates, police, medical, mental health, excused absences from classes. Whatever we can do, we're going to try to support you in the ways that we can. Sometimes people ask why they should report to the Title IX office. Simply, it's because you matter. We care about you. We care about not just your experience as a student, but we care about your experience as a human being. We care to get you the resources that you need. We care to make sure that you have a circle of people around you who are willing to do what we can to help you heal, to help you succeed, and to help you move forward.
The St. Paul and Ramsey County Domestic Abuse Intervention Project, otherwise known as SPIP, provides 24-hour services to victims and their children. After there is an assault in the city of St. Paul, our advocates immediately go out to the victim's home and provide an array of emergency services to help them seek protection, get medical attention, get safety, trying to address all their basic needs that prevent you from moving forward and living in a safe situation.
If someone's worried about reaching out, I just say you're not alone. I know it's very scary to call and ask for the help, but there are people whose main goal is just understanding and making sure that you're in a comfortable, safe place.
Unfortunately, one of the biggest tools of domestic violence is isolation. So many people don't know about the resources that are out there to help them or the protections that are in place. Or if you're from a different country, if you're new to our system, you might not even know that this is illegal, that this should not be happening. So it's educating and sharing that information. Our advocates are some of the best. You will be treated with kindness, you will be respected, it will be confidential, and you'll have someone who's on your side.
SOS, we are a 24-hour rape crisis agency, and we work with anybody that has experienced sexual violence in their lifetime. We have support groups, we can do protection orders, we provide advocacy when sexual assault victims are talking to law enforcement. We can go to court with them and go through the whole criminal justice process with our sexual assault victims. Our role is to advocate for that sexual assault victim, whether it's with law enforcement, whether it's with medical. We want them to get treated with the respect that they deserve. I think the most important thing is let somebody know that you believe them, and also that whatever you did, it's not your fault. You are not to blame. It doesn't matter what you did. Nobody is ever to blame for being sexually assaulted. So if you have any questions on sexual violence, give us a call. We can talk through things with you and explain things and kind of explain what sexual assault is. You don't even have to give a name. If you just want to get some information, we are glad to provide it. So please call us. We'd love to help you on your healing journey.
Forensic nursing is the intersection between the healthcare system and the legal system. And what I do as a forensic nurse is I offer a chance for patients to come in and receive an exam following a sexual assault. A person can present to the emergency room up to 10 days following an assault. So during a medical forensic exam, I typically tell patients you can expect 3 main things to happen. The first is really just a conversation where I sit down with a patient and I offer them a chance to share with me as much as they're able to remember about what was done to them. The second part of that exam is a head-to-toe assessment, where we literally together look at their body from head to toe and spend some time documenting any pain, any injury. We have what sort of looks like really long Q-tips to collect and pick up any evidence that might have been left behind during the sexual assault. And then the third and final part of the exam is another discussion around treatment for STIs, pregnancy prevention. Some nurses describe the exam process as like an a la carte menu. You have all these options in front of you, but you're the one who gets to decide which ones are going to be part of your care.
If you experience domestic or sexual violence, the Counseling Center is a resource that's available to you. We can see students virtually, in person. We could see them by phone. We offer a variety of options to help students. We advocate. We speak to students in their classrooms. We just kind of support students with getting information about their mental health needs. Counseling services at St. Paul College are free. Our services are confidential. We're not allowed to share that information. Everything is kept private, and that's really important, because otherwise why would someone want to share with us? We can support with just kind of being able to talk about feelings, being able to talk about experiences that a person may have had. We'll help to connect you to resources at the college, but also connect with resources outside, and then also supports that are available. A lot of people don't know that there are academic supports available to help make school more feasible. We realize that these situations can be really complex, so we're there to help navigate these situations and sort that out with you.
The way we conduct our investigations in the St. Paul Police Department is that we are very victim-centered in our investigation. Ultimately, we're here to work for the survivor and with the survivor. We are here for you. The way we do our investigations, they're very laid back. They're done in a comfortable setting. It's not an interrogation, it's just more so of us going through whatever evidence we have at the time, us meeting you face to face, and then sitting down and just talking about the case itself, getting to know the victim survivor, to see what other resources they might want or need, and just having a very straightforward, realistic conversation. The term, or kind of the quote that I like to use is, what does justice look like for you? So that's my way of asking kind of what's your end goal, what makes you happy. If their end goal is to just get a restraining order, we can offer resources for that. If they just want the case documented, an officer can document that. One thing about anyone that's nervous about coming to police, we want to relate to the community, we want to help the community and serve the community. We are very victim-centered in everything we do, and the victim survivor guides the process. It's up to the survivor to tell us what they want with the process.
If anyone has gone through any kind of domestic violence or any unsafe situation, public safety is definitely here for assistance. How can we help you navigate through your time here at St. Paul College? If anyone is feeling unsafe on campus, public safety does provide an escort service, whether that's walking someone to their car, walking someone to their class, walking someone to anywhere they need. We'll give you a ride to your vehicle, we'll escort you to your class, escort you to anywhere you need to be. St. Paul College Public Safety is here to keep everybody safe. Anyone has the ability to contact us through any of the phones in the hallways, in the classrooms. You can approach us, anyone in uniform and any staff or faculty member, and we're here to connect you and keep you safe.